Bodhichitta is the indispensable prerequisite for achieving non-abiding nirvana, and is the fusion of the skillful means of compassion and the wisdom of emptiness. It arises in the mind through repeated training in the four boundless attitudes, whereby a person's thoughts and actions are transformed into the path of the Mahayana. The essence of compassion is a valiant resolve to free absolutely all beings from their miseries, beings who are by nature entangled in the 3 or 8 types of suffering. It is a sensation felt in the very roots of the heart, an inability to tolerate the fact that beings suffer. It is as when a man unhesitatingly jumps into a filthy pit to retrieve his child. Such compassion is incapable of leaving matters simply as they stand. It is a resolute determination to free beings from their pain. People with such compassion see that the beings of the 6 realms are like cornered deer, unable to escape from the pain arising from their ego clinging. And with tears of compassion in their eyes, they strive by every means to liberate those who would never otherwise be able to free themselves.